Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to create virtual machines such as these ones. These are virtual machines that I have already created, but we are going to do that from scratch. So, the virtual machines we are going to create in this video are Kali Linux and Metasploitable 2, which serves as our server where we are going to carry out some of our practices. To create a virtual machines, click on the new button. Click on new, enter the machine's name. In this case, our machine name is Kali Linux. I am going to call this one Kali Linux 2 because I already have Kali Linux here. Make sure that the type is always set to Linux. Click next. The minimum we will always give is 2 gigabytes, and that's here. Enter the number 2048 to give us 2 gigabytes. Click next. Here we are going to create the amount of storage we want to dedicate to this virtual machine. The minimum we are giving to our machine is 50 gigabytes. Make sure your storage is big enough. Always give at least 50 gigabytes of storage to your virtual machine, especially Kali Linux, Windows, and the rest. It depends. Click next and click finish. What we are going to do with this Kali Linux now is to attach the installer file we downloaded from Kali. So click on settings. While on the virtual machine, click settings, click storage, click the empty disk icon, click this icon, choose a disk file, locate where you downloaded the Kali Linux file to, which in my own case it's in my apps, and then double click it to select. And when that is done, click OK. You have attached your installer file to this virtual machine. The next thing we are going to do on this Kali Linux is to install it so that we can be able to interact with it. But before then, turn on the virtualization settings in your BIOS. Else, you are going to have an error. Your virtual machines won't run. We'll pause it here, do the settings before we install our Kali Linux.